All right, so what's the slope of this line? So we remember that the slope is the change in y divided by the change in x. And so we need to pick two values where we're going to figure out what the change in y and the change in x are. So the couple really easy points to identify: the point where it crosses the y-axis, as well as the point where it crosses the x-axis. So if I use those as my 2 points, then the change in y will be this final point, and this final point has a y value of 0, minus the y value of my initial point, which is 3. And then the change in x, well, my final point is at x equals 4, and the initial point was at x equals 0. So what this is saying is that as I move from left to right, the line goes down in the y direction 3 units, and it goes across in the x direction 4 units. So my slope would be negative 3/4, and negative 3/4 is the same thing as negative 0.75. So I would select B as being my answer to this question.